Today I'm going to show you how to use Lucidchart templates. This is a fantastic way to jumpstart your diagramming projects without having to build everything from scratch, whether you're creating flowcharts, mind maps, or organizational charts. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This will bring you to your Lucidchart dashboard where all your documents and templates are managed. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various options for managing your workspace. Click on the button labeled Plus New. This is your starting point for creating any new document or diagram in Lucidchart. After clicking Plus New, you'll see a menu appear with different options. From this menu, select Lucidchart, which will open up additional choices for how you want to begin your project. Now, click on Create from Template. This option is specifically designed to give you access to Lucidchart's extensive library of pre-built templates, saving you significant time and effort. At this point, you can now browse through the available pre-made templates. Lucidchart offers a wide variety of categories to suit different needs and projects. You can explore these categories in the left panel by clicking on options like Agile, Brainstorming, Processes, Meetings, Planning, Research, or Teamwork. Each category contains templates specifically designed for those types of projects, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Take your time browsing through the templates until you find one that matches your needs. Once you've found your preferred template, click on Use Template. After clicking this, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the template loads into your workspace. This brief loading period ensures that all the elements and formatting of the template are properly imported. Once the template has loaded, you'll be prompted to name your document. Enter your document name in the field provided. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. After entering the name, click Done to proceed, and that's it. You can now customize your template by clicking on every section or field. Lucidchart makes it incredibly easy to modify text, change colors, add or remove shapes, and adjust the layout to fit your specific requirements. The template serves as your foundation, but you have complete freedom to make it your own. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.